Right, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're finding me for the first time, I want to welcome you and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So let's get straight into it. So this weekly watch list, I've got my eyes on 4 pairs. As you can see, I've got my eyes on AUDUSD, AUDJPY, GBPUSD and GBPUSD. So I'm going to start off with AUDJPY. So starting on the daily time frame, you can see with AUDJPY, we've been in a bullish market. You can see momentum's been like trending up since last year November. So last week's sessions, we've broken our major resistance level, as you can see right here. So now we've broken this major resistance level, I'm expecting price to push further up. I'm expecting price, I'm going to mark out this level right here, what I'm looking out for, what I'm looking for the market to do. So with this level right here, I'm expecting price to pull back down and retest this price level right here and continue its upwards momentum. So I've just marked out this price level here. This is going to be my key level for AUDJPY. So what I'm wanting for price to do is to push back down to this level here, have a candlestick reversal pattern, then push up. So at the moment, I'm only looking for buys. My opinion might change, my trade setup might change during the week, but for starting off on Monday, I'm only looking for buys. So that's AUDJPY, that's my first setup. Next, move on to AUDUSD. So with AUDUSD, similar to AUDJPY, as you know, these pairs will correlate. Price has pulled back down on this to this level right here. Rejected and started pushing back up. So what I'm looking for now is to see how price reacts around this level right here. Now I'm going to go into the 4-hour time frame. Now you can see there was a rejection here, rejection of this price level right here, and another rejection here. So what I'm looking for is this price level gonna hold during this week's weekly trading session, or is it gonna break? So when market opens, I'm gonna see if there's gonna be a gap in it, anything, or is it gonna hold this week? So if price don't break, I can see it come back down to this level right here. Sorry, that's not it for AUDUSD. So if price does hold and pushes back down, I'm expecting it to come back down and test this price level right here, which is going to be my next key level for AUDUSD. And then we might get a push back up to this upper key level and then probably break. So that's a trade setup with AUDUSD. That's two scenarios that I'm looking for to happen. So I'm going to go over it again quickly. When market opens, I'm just expecting price to either hold this price level down up here, push back down to this next price level, and then reject it and come back up and retest the upper price level. So that's two key levels we got for AUDUSD. Next up is GBPUSD. So with GBPUSD, this market's been pretty bullish since the start of the year. As you can see, in February the market started to coming down, started in a bearish momentum, and now it's started rejecting this price level right here. As you can see, I've got it marked up as one of my key levels. So next up for GBPUSD, I'm just waiting for market to either come back down to this price level, to this key level, sorry, test it, see how it reacts around it, and then I will decide whether I'm gonna buy or sell. But what I would be looking for is either a candlestick reversal pattern or a break of this key level right here. And if that does happen, we get reversal, then I'm expecting price to come back up and test these levels, this price level right here again. So if we do get in a buy trade, I would try to ride this trade all the way up to this price level right here at 1.7927. So that's three key levels I've got in GBPUSD you should have mark up and look out for. As you can see, we've got this upper key level right here. I don't think market will touch it this week. We're quite away from this price level right here, so because we're sitting down here. So just going to see how GBP AUD play out. Just to go over it quickly, so I'm either looking for price to come down and touch this key level here, have a candlestick reversal pattern, reject support, and push back up to this level right here. If not, that does not happen, then I'm just expecting price to break this support level right here and start a new downwards trend. So that's GBP AUD. Next up, we've got GBPUSD. And this one's pretty much simple. We've broken this my key levels. As you know, I've had these key levels for some time now. These two key levels here, broken it. So with GBPUSD, I'm just looking for a price to come back down and retest this key level right here. Retest it, have a candlestick reversal pattern, then continue its upwards trend. With GBPUSD, this price is actually quite high. I haven't seen this price level for quite a while. Yeah, since 2018 we haven't seen this price level. So this upwards trend could be running out of steam. It all depends on news this week, what's happening with the UK. But for now, I'm expecting a pullback to this price level here and see how it reacts with this key levels right here. So that brings it to an end for this weekly's watches. As you can see, I've got 4 trades I've got my eyes on this week. That's AUDUSD, AUDJPY, GBPAUD, and GBPUSD. So remember, trade with rules, don't trade with your emotion. And have a good trading week, people. I'll see you next time.